Hey everybody, it's Brian. We've had a really cool spring so far here in Western Washington, Zone 8, and everything is behind, but finally my koi bamboo has started shooting out. New shoots usually happen earlier in the year, but because of the cool weather, we're just now seeing them. Now, I had a couple appear a few weeks back, but then it got cold and rainy again, and they just basically sat dormant. They weren't growing at all, but now they're getting bigger and a bunch of new ones have come out. Now, all of these are new within the last week. None of these were here a week ago. So you can see just in a matter of a few days, these things have already grown. Some of them are a foot tall already. This is bamboo I put over here last year after dividing the koi bamboo I have on the other side of my yard by the hot tub. These new shoots are going to help fill in some of these bare spots here. And the way bamboo grows, these new shoots will be about a foot taller than what's here existing. It's not always a foot taller, but this variety, these are going to grow about a foot taller than the existing bamboo. And the other thing to know about how it grows is once it grows to its initial height, it stops growing forever. It's not going to get any taller. So this bamboo will grow for the next 30-ish days or so. It'll get about a foot taller than what's here. And then at that point, those shoots will stop growing. They won't get any taller. The shoots next year will be about a foot taller than the ones from this year. And it'll continue to do that every year until it gets to its max height. Like and follow to track the progress of this bamboo and the other tropical and subtropical plants I grow in cold weather environments.